uh, gunpowder, and explosives. In the investigation of a crime involving the use of firearm, law enforcement officer need to know whether the suspect has fired a firearm, fired a gun or not, and gunshot, the gunshot range, or the approximate distance of the shooter to victim. To uh, gunshot residue analysis is a chemical technique under firearm forensic attempting to identify heavy metals particles that contaminates the skin of subject. Subject believes to occur the believes to occur when the subject fired a gun recently. 3. Uh, gunshot residue analysis. Gunshot residue is expelled. Uh, ex, gunshot residue is expelled as tiny particles from the barrel of gun when it is fired. The residue contains heavy metals, barium, lead, and and uh, and barium and antimony. For gunpowder. Gunpowder refers to the powder used in firearms. Also referred to as propi, propellant. This it it's it it's it contains it typically contains it typically involves it it typically it typically involves uh, sulfur sulfur uh, charcoal, and typically 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 involves sulfur, charcoal, and potassium nitric. Black gunpowder, also commonly known as black powder, to distinguish it from modern smokeless smokeless powder, is the earliest known chemical explosive. It consists of a mixture of sulfur 10%, charcoal 15%, and pot- potassium nitric 75%. 6. Uh, smokeless gunpowder. Smokeless gunpowder is a powerful type of propellant mostly used in modern small arms. This consists pure nitroglycerin pure uh, nitroglycerin uh, 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 nitroglycerin nitroglycerin uh, nitroglycerin G, gelatinized with nitrocellulose. 7 um, 7 uh, pro, propellant or low explosives are combustible materials uh, materials consist consist within themselves all oxygen needed to all oxygen needed all oxygen needed to all oxygen needed for their combustion that burn but do not explode and function producing gas that produce explosion.